Hi everybody and welcome to Queen Mary University of London Careers and Enterprise team. In this short video, I'm going to be explaining to you how to use our new platform, Student Circus. So what is Student Circus? Student Circus is technically a job portal for international students and graduates. Here you will find information about how to apply for jobs and which jobs are available for international students and graduates once they finish university. This will mainly include sponsored jobs and jobs open to the graduate route visa. So with this recording, we've also attached a Word document, and within the Word document is information about how best to use Student Circus. Here you'll find information about how to update your CV and your cover letter to make sure the applications you submit are of strong quality so you really impress these employers who are open to hiring. At the end of that Word document, there's also a link for how to log into Student Circus. When you do log in, it will look something like this, but with Queen Mary University in that top corner. As you can see initially, there are prompts here to make sure you fill in your personal details. So what visa do you currently have? And therefore the jobs that will come up will be related to what your immigration status is currently. So at its core, Student Circus is a job portal. As you can see, you can search for visa-sponsored jobs. Some of them will be graduate route, which are obviously separate. And then this tab here will be for jobs in your home country, which I'll show you later. If we have a look here, you can filter different types of jobs you're interested in, different sectors you might be open to, and then certain companies. And this is refreshed very frequently. If we go back to the main page, we can also have a look at immigration guide. So this is a specific immigration guide for the UK. There's information here about frequently asked questions for student visa, down to what employers might ask you and how to respond. Skilled worker visa information, and moving on into some other visa route details as well. We go back to the dashboard. Another great thing about Student Circus is the country guides. So if you're thinking maybe I don't want to work in the UK long term or right now, the country guides are here to talk you through how recruitment in different countries might differ from what you're used to and give you tips about how to excel in that process. If we look at Nigeria, for example, and then click on this job search button, what we can see is information about what the Nigerian market is like at the moment and what are the strong suggestions for being successful in that industry. And then scrolling down more, we've got some job portals that are suggested. So these are job portals that are used frequently in Nigeria. And then right at the bottom, we also have some top tips to make sure that you excel in the Nigerian market. There are lots of different countries there for you to have a look at. So if we again go back to the main page and we look at this My CVs section, you can see examples for skills-based CVs, chronological CVs, and CVs for different countries that you might want to help to model yours if you are applying in different countries. One final thing is the My Journey tab. This will keep a document of which jobs you've viewed, which jobs you've applied for, and we'd really love it if you kept us up to date if you are successful in certain jobs, so we could help you prepare and hear from your experience.